Hello students, today we are going to start with our new chapter Understanding Elementary Shapes. So in this lesson we are going to learn how we are going to measure the shapes and what are the different varieties of shapes, how it is occurred and how it is important. Okay, so I hope you all are having your geometry box consisting of protractor, ruler, divider, pencil and compass, eraser and etc., which are very important for geometry. So students, please maintain in the geometry book whatever I am explaining the exercise sums. So here it is a starting of a ruler and divider. So you know protractor is used to measure the angles, right? So angles, we used to measure the angles using the protractor. So we used to measure acute, obtuse angle and right angle, right? So with the help of protractor it is possible. And ruler, what it is used? It is used to measure the lines or the shape of, what is the measurement of exact shape. It may sometimes it may not be exact, because some of the error occurs even in the ruler also. And divider, which I hope you are not so familiar. So that divider help us to measure the angles. How we are going to measure using the divider? So like a compass. So compass is having one side needle and other side used to fix a pencil. In a divider, both the sides are a needle and it is in the equal position. So you can open that, you can enlarge that and you can fix at one is the starting point and one at the end point, and you can then measure in the ruler. So ruler will give us the exact point. It will not become error compared to ruler. Divider gives us exact measurement. So I'll show you in the figure. So this is what I am saying about the ruler and this is the divider. So this ruler which you are using, it consists of 15 centimeter, right? How many centimeter? 15 centimeter. So each and 1 centimeter is calculated to calculate 15 centimeter. So here you can just see for 1 centimeter you have 10 millimeter. Okay, so from 0 to 1 there is a small line. See, from 0 to 1 2 3 4 5 then 1 centimeter, again 2 centimeter and so on. It is present till 15 centimeter. So if you take a long scale, it will give us 24 centimeter, which is equal to 1 feet. Okay, so this ruler also, which is very helpful. For example, if I give you the sum, take 5 centimeter and measure the 90-degree angle, means without a ruler you cannot construct, right? But with ruler is a one part and divider is also the other part of a measurement. So divider, what it helps, we can if I draw, if at all there is a one line drawn, so if I ask what is a centimeter, what is it exactly, so just you are calculating 15.5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8, 10 centimeter. But we have to be careful that after 2, see, if at all I am getting 2 lines. So from 0 to, it is not at 2, it is after 2. So what I should mention is 2.2 centimeter. Okay. See, for example, from 0 to, again it is lying here. Then I need to calculate these small lines and I have to measure. So I got 1.8 centimeter. this is how we have to learn to measure the sides with the help of ruler. Ruler help us to point out each and every mm, that is millimeter. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. That we know. By just looking the ruler, you can see that small lines. So we have to calculate even the small lines if it is small. If at all I say take 5.5 centimeter, means after 5 I need to calculate another 5 lines and I have to end with that. Then I need to mark from 0 to, always you have to take from 0 only. Don't take from 1 centimeter, then your sum will be wrong. You have to consider from the 0 itself. 0, from the 0 only you must start and you have to finish with 5.5 or 6.2 or 7.3, whichever centimeter I have asked. For example, you can try in rough book and you can draw a line. Simply you draw, then you take your roller, then you measure and mention that how many centimeter you have taken, so that it will guide you to take a perfect centimeters. So each and every point is very important, students. So you must draw different types of 10 lines in your rough book, or make your ask somebody, parents or somebody, neighbors to give some of the points like this, 10 points, like draw 2.3 centimeter, 8.5 centimeter or 5.6 centimeter, 6.4 centimeter, like that, sometime 10 measurements, and sit yourself and draw. Keep your ruler pakka and draw, and ask others to check or check by yourself. If one point, if it mistake, your sum will be mistake. For 6.4, if you mark at 6.5, just 1 point which is very close to 6.5, then your sum is wrong. So while measuring, you have to be careful. So first learn how you have to mark the line. So see, 3 point, if I ask 0 to 3.5, then draw and write 3.5 centimeter. Mention that whichever centimeter you are drawn. Until you are mentioning, you will also get confused and others also will not understand what is the line you are drawn, how many centimeter you have taken to draw a line. They will also not know. So you have to write after the construction, whatever you do, you have to mention that centimeter. Okay, it is very important. Keep remember that whenever you are measuring. So I hope you understood. Let us move to our exercise problem.